What are you eating?
Applesauce.
Who made it?
Nana did.
Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
How yummy is it?
Good.
Is it delicious?
It is delicious.
Yeah?
Mm.
Where did Nana get the apples?
No. From McDonald's.
From McDonald's?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Take a big bite. How's it taste?
Good.
Alright, what's Cadence doing? Should we give Cadence a bite?
Mm-hmm.
Open up. He said, is that yummy? It's Nana's applesauce. Say hi, Nana. Say hi, Nana. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
What do you tell Nana for making you applesauce?
Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Nana.
Okay, she'll say you're welcome.